In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Xiaomi. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in dev check, like that. After that, install this free app from Flartooth developer, DevCheck device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your Xiaomi's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!